Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to edit a Shopify announcement bar, and this is actually very simple. Head over to Shopify and under themes, select the themes, click on actions and then go to edit code. From there, you want to click on add a new section and then you want to click on theme liquid, and then you want to paste the code that I'll put the link to. After you've pasted it, you'll find you need to search for something that says section announcement bar, and above that you just need to type in this that I'll show in the notepad. This, so curly brace percent space section and then one apostrophe announcement bar apostrophe close space and then percent close and curly brace close. You just need to paste it over there and then you'll find the announcement bar, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.